Today I'm going to try to dismantle this fireplace. So you'll be able to see there's double bricks. There's these white bricks on the front and a red brick on the inside. We're going to be keeping the red bricks and we're going to be getting rid of the white bricks because we're going to be putting on a new fireplace surroundy bit. So I'm going to remove these. I've got myself a hammer mallet. What's it called?
Sledgehammer.
It's a sledgehammer. Got a sledgehammer. She's heavy. I've got a hammer and a chisel and we're just going to see how we go. Okay, it's the next day. So last night I removed the first two by hand. It's a pretty slow process, a lot of banging, but I just wanted to get started because I wanted to see what the brick behind looked like. Today, because it's during the day, we can use some power tools. So I'm gonna hit the bricks with this like jackhammery type looking thing. I'm not sure what it's called. Some sort of sticky, what?
Hammer drill.
It's a hammer drill. So I'm going to use the hammer drill and I'm going to try and dismantle the whole fireplace today, and then we'll clean it up, get rid of the bricks, and it's going to be a good step forward. Brad is going to fix the tiny bit left of the floors we have to go and then start dismantling the walls. So let's go. Don't forget the glasses.
Alright, so we've got the last little bit of framing to go, which is pretty exciting. So everything else is ripped out except this last little bit here, which isn't doing much at all.
Right up here.
So I'm going through denailing all the old timbers. We're going to obviously store as much as we possibly can, and then reuse it to reframe doors, make new windows, all sorts of stuff. Even these new wall frames, we'll reuse all these old timbers, whatever we can, we'll reuse. So
Last bit to come down?
last bit to come down. So then I'll just start taking this down while Sam's working on the fireplace and get it ready for the new wall.
Woo! original fireplace.
Yeah.
How old do you reckon it is?
Oh. I don't know. That's not even held together by a lintel. That's how they used to lay bricks on their edge like that.
Really?
It's actually cut in like an archway, and how they build bridges. It's that way too flat. So all those bricks are wedging themselves in at that point. So
We'll redo that.
yeah.
Could be 100 years old, this fireplace.
Yes, it could be.
One whole side done.
Nice. So now that Samantha has exposed the existing brick fireplace, it doesn't have any steel support like how we like to build brick chimneys nowadays. So nowadays we like to put a nice big steel bit of flat bar or equal angle across in nice big thick steel, which spans this difference between the sides of your fireplace and then supports the chimney. However, this is kind of like that old bridge construction where they lay the bricks on their sides, kind of wedges it all in and helps take that span. But now as we've pulled all the bricks away, it started to drop a little bit. So it's hard to tell whether or not the chimney's actually dropped a little bit, but definitely this brick's moved. So just as a precaution until we reprop the chimney and then put in a new piece of steel across here and then re-brick it up so that the support's nice and structural again.
Safety first.
Because at the moment, this isn't doing too much at the moment. So
yeah, it's all cracked. I mean, we don't know how old this original fireplace was, so we know that the original cottage, which is where we are in, is about 100 years old. We don't know when this fireplace was built, but it may well be around the 100-year-old mark.
Certainly assume it's from day one. So it's...
And then they clad the fireplace with this brick, and that's what we've taken away back to the original fireplace.
That's right. So you never know what you're going to uncover. I mean, it's old brick, the mortar's all cracked away. It's pretty brittle over the years. So we'll have to look into redoing a bit of this section just so it's nice and strong.
Yeah, so we want to keep it. The plan at the moment is to kind of remortar it, tidy it up, but keep the original fireplace. But we will also be cladding it in an upcoming project. Hopefully it's not.
Tease up.
I know. Hopefully it's not too far away, but we have kind of an idea about what we want to encase this original fireplace in, and then we are going to put a Canara on the inside in the middle rather than using it as an open fireplace because we like the look. It's also just like super easy to work with.
Much easier.
So yeah, that's the plan. We just need to get rid of this side. It's so cool to see what the original fireplace looked like, and it makes the room feel so much bigger having removed the outer shell. It's just a little bit slimmer, gives us a little more space. Yeah, I like it.
Very good.
I'm in love.
Love it.
I do love it. This fireplace Which is beautiful. I think the slimmer fireplace and the bigger mouth on the opening of the fireplace. Mwah! Beautiful. You right over there?
Yeah, fine, thanks, how are you?
It's like I'm trying to film and Brad's trying to build. It's a mess. This has thrown a spanner in the works for me. I had always planned on covering this old fireplace and now I don't know. What do you want to do, Brad?
Cover it.
Brad wants to cover it. I don't know. Let us know what you think we should do. She's an absolute beauty. I don't know. This has thrown a spanner in the works. I'm so happy with how it looks. We would probably, if we kept it, we would probably paint it because it's quite red. The brick is quite red and it does need a lot of TLC because it's not really structural anymore. But this has really, I don't know. Anyway, let us know what you think. We've uncovered our 100-year-old fireplace. It's beautiful. Thanks for joining us. Brad, say bye.
Bye.